Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, I'm going to be doing a variation of part 8 of my Kaleidocycle series. I recommend that you watch the first minute and 15 seconds of the original video as it gives you some very useful information before beginning here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I did with my 8/0 seed bead kaleidocycle, the one I'm working on. My daughter, who picked the colors, wanted a dark support color, but she felt it might be too much, so she wanted it separated with a clear color so that it wouldn't overpower the design. So here I'm going to show you how to do a two-tone variation. So what you want to do is you'll take your first small triangle and you'll go through the first two beads on the end of your triangle, and then on one of the strings you'll add a clear bead, or for this case I'm using a clear bead, which is your separation bead. It's going to be the bead that separates your support color from your piece. So you'll add one of those, then you'll add two of the color you're going to use for your support, or your main support color, and then you're going to cross with your separation color. Now, we have one string coming towards our small triangle, which we'll call our top string, and we have one string coming away, which we will call our bottom string. So for the top string, you're going to add your connection bead, which we're adding 3 during this process. We need 1. This I have a yellow color. Then on your other string, the bottom string, which is coming away from your small triangle, you're going to add your main support color. Then you're going to cross with your separation color. Now with your top string, the one coming towards the small triangle, you're going to add your next small triangle. You just go through those 2 beads on the end. And then your bottom string, you'll add the next 2 of your main color for your support, and you'll cross with the separation color. Now with your top string, you'll add the next connecting color, and your bottom string, you'll add one of your main support colors, and then you'll cross with your separation color. And now you'll add your third small triangle. You'll go through those 2 beads on the end, just like with the previous 2. And then you'll add 2 of your main support colors, and cross with the separation color. Now you'll take your top string and you'll add the third connection, and your bottom string, you'll add your main support color, and then you will connect your pieces together by going through that separation color on the opposite side. And now you want to tie your knot, but don't pull it tight. With the microfilament, I just do a regular double knot, but don't pull tight like I said at this point. Then you're going to go back into that separation color bead and slip your knot inside of it and pull tight. And then I recommend that you thread away from your knot so that it doesn't easily come untied from having it trimmed close to where the knot is. So I just thread back through one small, or where the connection bead is, and then I do one where the small triangle is, just threading back the way you came. And then you have, oh, you want to trim that off. I don't have my scissors handy, but just trim off your excess, and you have your two-tone support begun. And I will be doing a second video for part 10 to show you the remaining variation for the two-tone. The rest of the videos will all be the same as the originals, just part 8 and 10 will be slightly different for this variation. Hope to see you there.